Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to talk about the particle size and some of the factors that are really relevant for the column studies. In my previous videos you have seen a lot of things where I have talked about the bed height, column dia, okay, particle size. So today we are restricting our discussion to the particle size. So usually if you see here, this is my sieve, so where you can get the particle size 500 micron. It is allowing less than 500 micron, or you can say 0.5 millimeters. Okay, so usually for the granular activated carbon, when you have sand, biochar and hydrochar as the filter media, so typical sizes could be 0.4 to 0.7 millimeters, which is 407 microns, and the mass, and for other filter system it could be 500 micrometers, and also it could be if you want to have a very high surface area, so in that the particle size could be low, but it could cause high head loss, clogging and very slow filtration. Okay, and if you have a larger size where you could have low head loss, okay, but again the efficiency depends, it's specific, it will depend on the type of the particles that you type of the material that we are using. We will use certain equations to find out the mass of the particles. So usually the mass of the particles is not fixed, it totally depends on the height of your column. So we will do some thing with the equation, and also we will do something which you will see visually or physically how much amount of the particles that we're going to add in the column. For example, if your internal diameter of the column is 2 centimeters and the bed height is supposed 10 centimeters, and the bulk density of the material is including your word, so this is not the true density, this is density of the material that we are, suppose we are using this biochar. So what is the bulk density? For example, this is around 0.5 gram per centimeter, which is usually true for hydrochar and biochar. Okay, and now we all know that the area of this one would be pi d square by 4, and the volume of the bed is area into height, and mass will be volume of the bed into the bulk density. So here the bulk density is 0.5 and the internal dia is 2 centimeter, and h is the packed bed height. So what is the packed bed height? For example, this is 20 or 30 or what? Okay, now here for internal dia 2 centimeter, the volume of the bed is equal to, so area here would be, before calculating the volume we should know the area is pi d square by 4. So here the internal dia is 2, which is equal to 3.14 centimeter square. So volume of the bed is equal to 3.14 into 10, which is equal to 31.4 centimeter cube. Now the mass would be, so first of all area, then the volume of the bed, then mass. So mass is equal to volume of the bed into rho bulk. Okay, and here we have assumed that the particle density is, so bulk density is 0.5 and the bed height is 10 centimeter. So depending on that, the mass will be 51.7 gram. So because we know the volume of the bed, which is equal to 31.4, and here this is the bulk density. Now let us see how much mass we are going to add in the column using the weight balance. These are simple things, but they all affect your column efficiency, column working, column recital. What I have done, I have tried to sieve my, this is my activated biochar. Okay, this is my activated biochar. Now I have tried to sieve. Now I will load these sieved particles, which have passed to the sieve, not the particles which are retained on the sieve. Okay, because we want the particles to be less than 500 microns. So you can see this is my column with the beaker. So what I will do, I will switch on and try to tear. So already I have added 3 centimeter of the sand with the gravel and some sieve. You can see that the bottom is the sieve. I will tear it, and then we will add the activated biochar through this. Okay, so make sure that nothing is here. We will remove this. The cap will be here because it will allow the particles to pass through freely. Now we are adding here till this mark. So this mark from this is around 5 centimeter. So with the scale you can see that from this marking, this is till here. This is 6 centimeter, you can see clearly. Okay, now we will keep adding the masses till this mark, and also push with this rod to make sure there is no void, because usually these are lighter particles, they are not like sand, denser. Now you can see here the level is almost reachable, almost reached. So what I will do, I'll try to push this with this rod and check that there is no void or not. So by pushing with this rod, it has slightly gone down. So the mass of the 5 centimeter biochar column for this specific dia, internal dia of the column, okay, so this is around 1.27 gram, and the height here I am taking is 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is around 1.3. okay, so this is fluctuating, so the mass is around 1.30 grams. So this is all about in this video. In our next videos we will see more and more about the column.